Somebody with a big butt's been riding in that seat right there. I'll tell you that. They've torn it up. This beats the heck out of that piece of junk you parked here for about 6 months before and put oil all over my driveway.
Do you want to go for a ride?
No.
Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are in my very fine Cadillac Escalade because we're doing what exactly we said we were going to do. We're driving this fine General Motors product all the way up to another town to go see my mother and Truthful Tom and get their opinion. Yeah, did I overspend? Is $1,200 too much for a 500,000-mile Escalade? We're gonna find out. That is a backbone to something. They got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead, please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
Well, I just found the perfect car to follow as we go north. Look at that. If you can zoom in, if I can do that, look at that. It's an old Rolls Royce. Look at her in horrible brown. Uh-oh. She's pulling over. What is she doing? Oh, she's gonna sneak around traffic and... Well, okay, that was my ABS. Anti-lock skid brakes trying to kick in for some reason. Why are we stopping? I don't know. Come on. Okay, we're pulling up to Mom and Tom's right now. I have a pizza with me in the car, and we're going to eat first, and then we'll get their opinion of my 500,000-mile Escalade. I'm not expecting much. I'm really not. Well, the pizza is done. We're baking cookies, and you guys just had to come out here and see my new American product.
That's beautiful. That is a beautiful vehicle right there.
That
made in America.
Let me back it up so everybody can just take it in.
Oh, you can't get it all in one picture,
No,
can
it's too big for one.
you? Betcha.
How big is it?
This is a giant 2003 Escalade, Mom.
Wow. Wow. That's steel, isn't it?
That's steel.
Uh-huh. That's what
Yeah.
it should be
Not
made.
plastic.
You betcha.
No,
That's
it's the way it
perfect.
should be.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you something though.
Yeah.
From here forward, it's from a pickup truck,
Oh, well, that's all right.
and then from here back,
All right.
because a pinstripe quits, it's Escalade. So apparently something happened, and they put the pickup version of this
Yeah.
on here. So it's a little different in the front and the back, but who cares?
Well, hey, it's a touch of class. I like it. I like it that way. Being a pickup guy myself, I think it looks better. Yes,
Uh-huh.
real
What are
trucks.
you going to do with it?
I don't know, because I bought it to tow things with, but you guys want to guess the mileage? Have you watched the videos?
Of course, we watch all your videos, start to finish. We have a lot of them. We do more than once.
Wah,
You
wah,
want my
wah.
favorite.
Come on, Pinocchio.
Yeah, and
What?
I was guessing 484,000 miles.
Very close, yes.
Thank you.
475,000 miles on
That's
this
pretty
girl right
close.
here.
Oops, there comes.
Uh-oh. Does that
Do
mean
you
what I
have, do you have
think
a
it means?
license on this thing?
I do.
Did you hear
It's
that?
legit.
Oh, good. Oh, I thought it was a cop. I'm sorry.
Will church services have one fewer person there coming
Yeah, that's
up?
the way it is. You know, they come and they go.
That was an ambulance, yeah.
it's
So,
down there, you know.
okay, I want you to
This
open
is-
the door and give me your impression, because I spent all day yesterday cleaning.
Yeah, you really? You
I
worked
really
pretty
did.
hard on it?
I spent all day
Okay.
cleaning and everything else.
Oh, that's quaint. Very quaint.
Quaint?
Quaint.
That's
Very
a good word for it.
It actually
okay,
the dashboard looks brand new. You know what I mean?
Right?
That's perfect. Somebody with a big butt's been riding in that seat right there. I'll tell you that. They've torn it up.
Look
But
at Mom's face. Can you smell it from there?
No, but I can't see it either.
well,
Okay, full
that's the
disclosure.
advantage of having a blind mother. She still thinks you're cute too.
Oh, that's true. That's very,
Right,
very true.
right.
So,
Uh-huh.
yeah, this is what 500,000 miles of wear and tear
That is.
will get you on a.
That is not bad. Yeah, but a headliner could probably use a little touch up here and there.
I want
Okay,
You see
you want to
it?
feel it?
Yep.
Okay.
if it has a.
Watch out! I think there's some blood right there, honey.
Ooh.
Okay, let me go over here. I'll get your expressions here.
What do you think, darling? Huh? I think it's a pretty nice car myself.
Golly,
You bet.
what is this?
That's a charge cord for my phone.
I don't think you ought to be pulling on things. I wouldn't do that. You know. The only thing
I can't smell it.
it smells
You
like
can't?
it smells like duck.
Smells like what?
A duck.
A duck?
Yeah, has there ever been a duck in this car?
There may have been a duck in the back of the car.
Is that a broken
Wow, I
windshield?
tell you, woo,
Oh,
baby.
so you can see the broken windshield.
Yes,
The way the light shines on it.
absolutely.
Okay.
Right? That's okay.
I think you can see more than you let on sometimes, Mom.
Sometimes I guess I can.
She's just milking this blind thing. Just
Yeah. He gives us a good parking space, okay?
I need sympathy. All I can get
Yeah,
with this
yeah,
guy.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
We kept putting in for welfare, but they won't give it to us. They say, no, you work too much. You can't get welfare if you work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
The only problem I had on the way up here is sometimes when I hit the accelerator, it doesn't accelerate. It doesn't do anything. So I do want to check my throttle cable to see if
Yeah.
it's even connected. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Or
Oh, are you going to sit down?
Or you,
No.
Oh, you don't.
Sit down. But I just sit
you don't need to be speeding all the time anyway.
Well, you can't with this car because 65 feels pretty fast.
That's about it.
That's about, well, the car has more. I get a little afraid at 65 because of all the vibration and the truck kind of goes like this and the tires kind of go like this and the steering wheel kind of goes like this. So it gets a little iffy
Yeah.
at speed.
Yeah. Probably
And-
65 is plenty.
Well,
What's
and
the
if you
back
can
seat
see,
like?
Oh, let's look at the back seat.
this is why the wheels are all bent. Lots of, anyway.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
But it's an American product.
It is. Uh-oh.
Oh, and
We're locked out.
that
Can we-
door doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Okay.
No. I'm, yeah, but you can come,
There are a
okay.
few undisclosed problems here, aren't there?
Yeah.
You're not pricing this one right now, are you?
No.
No, good.
And this is left over
yep.
from what was in here before.
We don't need to talk about that.
What's left over?
That's duck poop.
Smells like duck, you know what?
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I'm not going to be feeling around.
No.
No, you do not want to feel around in there, honey. Sure enough, don't.
So how big? I can't see from
It's
here.
big.
Okay.
It's big. You could have a party in there.
Wow.
Couple
Mhm.
kegs of beer.
Yeah.
That'd be a deal,
Oh,
wouldn't it?
it don't bump your head.
You could do a barbecue.
Like that up there.
That'd be a great idea.
Put a barbecue rig in there.
Yeah.
And a beer keg on this side.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
make this. Will this window open up?
I don't think so.
Oh,
I don't
well,
know.
Oh, you need to fix that.
I've never had one of these before.
Then you can go to an OU football game, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you lower this down and you open that up, and then you got your grill going in here and your beer keg.
See?
Man,
I'd be the most popular guy in the parking
they
lot.
give you special parking. Yeah,
They-
yeah.
If they would let me in driving a 2003 Cadillac riding on 22s. You see how big the wheels are?
I love them. I love them. Now that's what a tire ought to be.
Do all four of
Tell
them
you-
match?
Yeah.
No, none of them match. They're all 4 different makes of tires.
Well,
Yeah.
they're all black.
The wheels match, but not the tires.
But that's all that's important.
Right. Yeah.
That's all
So,
that's important.
and
So-
some of them are a little bent and beat up,
yeah.
but
Yeah. Well, I think you're making real progress on this one. This beats the heck out of that piece of junk you parked here for about 6 months before and put oil all over my driveway. It's still over there underneath my truck.
you remember what we called that car?
Something big.
The Bummer Beamer.
The Bummer Beamer. I called it something else, but you kept editing it out of your little film there. But no, I
Yeah.
called it. I had a different word for it.
Oh, we can't share that word though.
No,
can we?
no,
Okay,
no,
yeah.
no,
this
no.
is,
This is family program.
so
Yeah.
it got me here. I think the car cost. I think I gave the lady $1,200 if I remember right for this.
Oh, she saw you coming, didn't she?
Well,
Was she good looking? The woman.
no, she was.
Okay.
I can't say.
No. No, you
She's a
bet
nurse. She was a nurse.
A
Or at least
nerd?
she said she was a nurse.
A nurse.
A nurse. If I was a nurse, I wouldn't drive something like this because this was a death trap. And there were no brakes when I bought it. And so this is what rolled down off of Randy's
Yeah.
trailer
it
and
just
right
kept
through my
going.
gate.
Yeah.
He broke through my gate for that. Yeah. Oh no.
Hey, I parked it in your backyard for you.
Well, how?
It's pretty bad, man.
What happened? I used to have a fence.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
it's
see here.
okay. It's okay.
Ow. Even the ducks came to check it out.
The good news is it looks like we just put it right back. I think it just...
Look at that. Lola, hush.
I threw it in park like
Yeah?
I was doing to get it off the trailer,
Okay.
but when it got some momentum behind it,
Yeah, it wouldn't.
it wouldn't go. I put it in park, but it just started making these grinding noises, and it wouldn't stop. Look how close this is from hitting.
You almost hit the most
Wonder Wagon.
The Wonder Wagon, the
And
most.
all the paint work.
Yeah.
Oh.
The crappy paint job I did. But look what stayed on. The gas cap stayed on. Yeah.
I love it. Randy's your buddy, isn't he?
He's a good friend. Sometimes I think. Sometimes I think not. So anyway,
Well, I like that.
thumbs up, thumbs down, Mom. What do you think? Thumbs up
Oh, we're
for
for it.
$1,200. You want to go for a ride?
No.
Okay.
We got friends. We got friends here in town. All right.
Should I park this down the street? Is that what you?
We got to count our days.
It's getting easier and easier to count our days. You understand what I mean?
Okay. All right. Well, they wouldn't go for a ride, but I'm sure you would go for a ride, right? No, they probably wouldn't even go for a ride. I don't know who would ride in this thing.
Somebody that had a big drink.
A big gulp. Yeah,
You
absolutely.
be careful driving it and driving home.
I
This is
will.
from your mother saying, be careful.
Yeah.
Don't worry, honey. He can't go fast enough to get hurt.
See, exactly. And if I hit something, I'll never feel it because it's so
Absolutely.
big.
You get in a wreck, just go ahead and have a wreck. Get in a wreck with one of them Toyotas. Squish. It'd be like a June bug on a highway.
All right, that's going to do it for this video. We'll have more on the 500,000-mile Cadillac. And of course, we'll come back and check in with Mom and Truthful Tom again. So thanks for being part of the video.
Good to see you, folks.
All righty, we'll
And
see
it
you.
will take, since it's dark,
Yeah?
it's filming.
Oh, yeah,
okay?
you see us.
We can see us. We can
Good
see the
looking.
clouds behind you and everything. It's gorgeous back there.
Yeah, yeah.
It's beautiful. All right. See you guys.